Hello my people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching me from. Lynette Solar Travels. Welcome back to this YouTube channel, educative channel. Once again, it's early morning and our daily routine. We are taking care of our birds, poultry farming thing. You have to love this, guys. I want to train someone, to educate someone to love poultry farming, because it can change your life. As usual, you just make sure before you access your poultry house, you disinfect first. Biosecurity is very, very important. And they have taken their breakfast. They are very full. They are full to the brim, and now, as you can see, this is their food setup. They are now enjoying scratching the grass, eating the worm because it's a little bit cold. So the moment they scratch the grass or they scratch the ground, they get the worms, and they are really enjoying the natural environment. And our sasso is 3 months old. You can see how they are growing so fast, guys. Very simple, very interesting. Today we're gonna discuss. I'm gonna address that person who is willing to start this poultry farming, who is having that passion to start this. I'm gonna encourage someone. You don't have money, you don't have a big house, and you don't have a big capital to start this, but you have that passion. How you can maneuver your ways and start your poultry farming with just 200 to 300 US dollars. How much is that in Kenyan shillings? Around 25,000 to 30,000. It's not a lot, but if you don't have it, it is a lot of money. But if you are... Yeah, guys, so you have the passion to start this poultry farming. You always watch my videos and you get motivated. I'm gonna address that person. You don't have big capital, you see, and it is very, very possible. You can maneuver ways for a beginner. You can maneuver your ways and start this with only 200 to 300 US dollars. And how are you gonna make it? Because last time I gave a budget of 50,000, a budget of 50 bahts, a budget of 100 bahts. We are soon giving you budget of 200 bahts. Stop eating me. So it's very simple, guys. What you gonna do first? If you don't have that a lot of money, a lot of capital, you can't access grants from even agriculture sectors, it's very simple. First, your mindset really matters. Your mindset. Yeah. You want to start this and you don't have enough money. Mentality. First, I'm gonna address you. Mentality. The mentality you are going to set, it's gonna help you so much. Yeah, the mentality you're gonna set, it's gonna help you. And see how they're scratching the ground. It's really gonna help you. Yeah, you have to be creative, you have to be hard-working person if you want to start this. It's very, very important. The moment you are creative, you bring in hard-working, and that mindset, you set it, and mentally, physically, you are here in poultry farm and you say, I want to start it. Yes, you can do it. It's very, very important. And The moment you have, let's say, you just have to get that house, chicken house. Very simple. Let me tell you, for example, because I just began, I'm now having like 2 years experience. When I began, this is the house I began with, and this is where I used to live before. In our native language, we call it Simba. This used to be my lion. So I used to stay here before. Because I had the passion to start this poultry farming thing, guys, I said, I'm not bringing down my house, my former house, my former Simba. I want to start this poultry farming thing, and it has been a passion before. So what do? You take that room. You see how you can create ventilation, proper ventilation, even if it is not much all over, but you see the window setup. Plus the house, I removed the glasses. You can see up here. So very simple. You have to be creative. Let's say in your area or there in the village there is abandoned house, or your grandmother, your parents, or can give you, and so you can get abandoned house. You can start with that, however small it is. Let me just show you this other structure over here. It was built like 4 years ago, 5 years ago, and you can see it's a very simple structure, well ventilated. Yeah, and soon, slowly by slowly, we are planning to adjust. So it is just, you just start. The moment you've set that your mind physically, mentally, and you say, I want to start this poultry farming thing, guys, you will start. After having that structure, or your parents has given you abandoned house, just a simple structure to start with, from few birds. Yeah, and you are sure it's gonna contain like 50 birds. Now you are good to go. You are good to go. Remember, you've not spent already. You've not spent on anything. Now it's time to source the birds. I'm gonna encourage that kind of a person who has the passion and want to start this poultry farming project. Start with 50. Because you don't have money, start with 50. It's affordable. Now you have to look for that small money, go for small jobs. We call them Jengo over here. You get that money, you can raise $200 US. Then you source your birds now. Just get 50 from the beginning. Already you've done a research, a basic research, how you can take care of your birds. Already you've learned 1, 2, 3, the signs and symptoms, because you have a passion in this. You've learned 1, 2, 3 how to medicate them, the signs of symptoms, white diarrhea, the red stool. And now you have a basic knowledge. And now, after, just get 50 broilers. I'm encouraging you as a beginner, start with the broilers, because it's gonna give you a quick money. Source 50 broilers. Broilers, you can raise them for 6 to 7 weeks. Then you take them to the market. It's that easy. You feed them well, you take them to the market. So you have your birds here, you get a drinker. For 50 birds, you need like only 2 drinkers. You see,